Assalamu alaikum students of class 3. Welcome to another class of English. I hope that you are learning happily and you are enjoying your lessons and you are understanding them. Please share your feedback in the WhatsApp groups and on the Google Classroom so that if there is any confusion left, I'll be able to clear them. Today we are going to learn another concept. We said today, what is the date today? What is the date today? 30th December. And what is the day today? Monday. This is our second online class, second online video that you are watching. Okay, now, any guesses at what we are going to do today? What is the topic? Today we are going to learn about the conditional sentences. Who will tell me what are the conditional sentences? Any ideas? Conditional is the word that is derived from condition. Who will tell me what is a condition? Condition क्या होती है? What is condition? Condition is the situation that we are going through. अगर ये condition हम कहते हैं ना यार condition ही ऐसी थी तो मैं ऐसे काम नहीं कर सका. Teacher, the condition was not in our favor. The thing is this कि हम लोग जिस तरह से काम कर रहे होते हैं, जो भी situation या scene हमारे पास होता है, that is known as condition. ठीक है? Now we are talking about condition. कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस हमारे पास किसी भी कंडीशन से ही निकले कि हमारे पास अगर ये कंडीशन होती तो हमारे पास टर्न से फिर मैं क्या करता, अगर सिचुएशन इस तरह की होती तो मैं क्या करता. तो कंडीशन इज सिमिलर टू द सिचुएशन दैट वी आर गोइंग थ्रू. आई राइट सम सेंटेंसेस ओवर हियर ताकि आप लोगों को कॉन्सेप्ट जो आंसर है वो क्लियर हो जाए. I'll complete the sentences that are given on our book on page number 75. But you are not going to copy my sentences. You are not going to copy my conditions. You all have to write your own conditions. The first sentence that we have over here is dash if I had some money. If I had some money, what does it mean? अगर मेरे पास कुछ पैसे होते, ठीक है, तो अब आप सोचें if you had some money तो आप क्या करते? If I had some money, if I had some money, अगर मेरे पास पैसे होते तो मैं क्या करती? I would buy a bag. I would buy a bag. I would buy a bag if I had some money. अगर मेरे पास कुछ पैसे होते तो मैं एक बैग खरीदती। तो दिस इज माई कंडीशन, मुझे कंडीशन दी गई तो मेरे पास पैसे होते, तो अगर मेरे पास पैसे होते तो मैं क्या करती, मैं एक बैग खरीदती। तो यू हैव टू थिंक कि आप क्या करते इफ यू हैड सम मनी। ऑलराइट, द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस दैट वी हैव ओवर हियर इज because she was ill, क्योंकि वो बीमार थी। अब क्या रीज़न हो सकती है इसमें, तो हमारे पास कंडीशन उन्होंने दे दी बिकॉज शी वॉज इल, तो क्या रीज़न लिख सकते हैं हम यहाँ पे? The reason I am thinking of is she did not come to school because she was ill. She did not come to school because she was ill. क्योंकि वो बीमार थी इसलिए वो स्कूल नहीं आ सकी। She did not come to school because she was ill. Okay. Come tomorrow, अगर वो सुबह आए तो। अब क्या रीजन हो सकती है, अगर वो सुबह आए तो क्या सोचें? इफ दे कम टुमारो, अगर वो सुबह आए तो व्हाट विल यू ऐड हियर, आप क्या लिखेंगे? दिस इज अ फ्यूचर टेंस, फ्यूचर की बात हो रही है। इफ दे कम टुमारो, यस, if they come tomorrow, we will go to shopping. If they come tomorrow, we will go to shopping. हम shopping पे जाएंगे। Our favorite thing that we would like to do. In the last sentence that we have over here is dash if she wins the cup. अगर वो कप जीती तो, जैसे कप्स क्या होते हैं, our prizes, trophies that you win. If she wins the cup, I will be glad, I will be happy if she wins the cup. I will be glad if she wins the cup. अगर वो ट्रॉफी या कप जीतेगी तो मैं बहुत खुश होंगी। लेट मी रिपीट दिस अगेन। कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस कौन से सेंटेंसेस होते हैं? कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस आर द सेंटेंसेस इन विच वी हैव टू गिव द रीज़न अकॉर्डिंग टू द कंडीशन। हमें कोई जवाब देना होता है, कंडीशन के अकॉर्डिंगली अपनी स्टेटमेंट को सेट करना होता है। जस्ट लाइक द कंडीशंस वर, इफ़ आई हैड सम मनी, तो आई वुड बाय अ बैग इफ आई हैड सम मनी because she was ill, she did not come to school because she was ill. So that's what are these? We are giving the reasons, we are giving the answers to the conditions, to the statements. Okay, so if you have any confusion in it, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group or on the Google Classroom. Now we are going to differentiate adverbs and adjectives. You all know that what are adverbs and adjectives. We have done this exercise in the last video. Now today we will learn to change the adverbs into adjectives. We know that what are adverbs and we know that what are adjectives. Today we will only learn to change the adverbs into adjectives. Let's do it. So Mama, you will tell me what is an adjective. Yes, Diane. Faisal Hassan. What is an adjective? एडजेक्टिव्स क्या होते हैं हमारे पास? Adjectives are the one that describes our noun. Very good. Adjectives हमारे पास वो words होते हैं जो हमारे noun को मज़ीद describe करते हैं, हमें उसके बारे में ज़्यादा बताते हैं, ठीक है? Just like Ali is going slow, वो slowly जा रहा है. The slow frog jumps into the lake. ठीक है? So all of these are the adjectives. Just like slow, quick, fast. और क्या adjectives हो सकते हैं हम ऐड कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? The slow frog jumps into the lake. The quick frog jumps to the lake. ठीक है? All of these are the adjectives. What are adverbs? Adverbs क्या होते हैं? Adverbs are the ones that just tells us more about a verb. हमें verb के बारे में ज़्यादा बताते हैं. अब हमने क्या करना है? इन्हीं adjectives को हमने अपने adverbs में change करना है. So we only have to add ly with them. Whenever we are changing our adjectives to adverbs, हम अपने adjectives को जब adverbs को change करते हैं तो हम उनके साथ ly लगा देते हैं. So what will it become? Slowly will become slow will become slowly. Quick will become quickly. Fast will become fastly. तो ये adjectives हमारे पास हमारे adverbs बन गए. This is how we change our adjectives to adverbs. But अगर हमारे पास कोई ऐसा adjective हो जो y में end हो तो फिर हम क्या करेंगे? If we have an adjective that ends in y, then what will you do? Just like if there is an adjective sleepy, or angry. So these are the adjectives that are ending on y. So what will you do? You will simply cut the y and you will add I in the place of y and you will then add ly with it. So it will become sleepily. Similarly, we will cut the y, you will add I on it, and you will add ly. Angrily. So do you all get it now? That how you have to change the adjectives into adverbs. Adjectives are the ones that tells us more about a noun, and adverbs are the ones that tells us more about a verb. Today we have learned how to change the adjectives into adverbs. This was our main topic. So your assignment for today is you have to change the adjectives that I am going to write on the board into the adverbs, and then you have to make sentences using those adverbs. Come on. You will write classwork on the top over here. So now here I am writing adjectives. You will change these adjectives into adverbs, and then you will make sentences using these adverbs. Instruction दोबारा ध्यान से सुन लें. You have to make the sentences using the adverbs, not the adjectives. You have to change the adjectives into adverbs, and then you will make sentences using the adverbs. Okay? I will write the statement in the Google Classroom so that you can write it properly. So the words are how will you change them into adverbs? You will simply add ly or जहाँ पे y आएगा वहाँ पे ily, and you will make sentences using those adverbs. Sad, hungry, busy. So these are enough. Look at the adjectives. You have to change these adjectives into adverbs, and then you have to make the sentences using those adverbs. Okay? Not adjectives. I will also write down the complete instruction on Google Classroom so that you understand it better. Stay home, stay safe, and take good care of yourselves and your family members. Allah Hafiz.